Hi, I'm Pam Hiller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert,
And I'm Erica, embroidery guru.
and we're ready to celebrate some new dies. June's 3 new dies will set you up for party planning success, no matter the occasion. Let me introduce you to the Go Halloween Medley, Go Summer Medley, and Go Pennants.
The possibilities for seasonal decor, theme quilts, and party decorations are endless.
The Go Summer Medley is the perfect die for all of those summer or beach themed quilts or projects. It contains 5 unique shapes that are very difficult to cut by hand: a shovel, a bucket handle, the sandal, and the sandal strap. All the shapes range from 3 3/4 inches to 4.5 inches high, so it's perfect for charm squares or a great way to use your scraps. And this die, because it comes on a 6x12 die board, is compatible with all Go fabric cutters.
That's right. And this summer sandcastle table runner pattern comes inside the packaging for the Go Summer Medley die. But we're going to show you even more sunny projects and information on that die in the Summer Beach Bash video. So be sure to watch it.
Quilters, are you ready for fall? Why not get ready for Halloween with our new Go Halloween Medley die? This die contains 3 shapes perfect for the season of eerie applique. It has a witch's hat, a ghost, and a spider. This wicked awesome die is also charm pack friendly, perfect for all of our scraps, and compatible with all Go fabric cutters.
Just think of all the fun you're going to have with this die. The Go Fright Night pillow pattern is included in the package, but watch the Spooky Soiree video for more great project ideas and information.
The last die to enter our Go collection of dies this June is Go Pennants. It comes in 3 standard and popular pennant shapes that easily add color and character to any room. This die is versatile and opens up the possibilities of many other dies in our collection, including our seasonal applique medleys. In fact, the Go Carefree alphabet sets, both uppercase and lowercase, fit perfectly on the Go Pennants. Go Pennants is layer cake friendly and compatible with all Go fabric cutters.
You know, the more we look at this DIY project die, the more ideas we have. We will show you how to make this Go Baby Sweet Baby quilt and some of the other fun projects you can make with Go Pennants in our Pennant Party video. Don't miss it.
Quilters, if you're getting ready to throw a get together or just need to spruce up your home decor, June is your time to do it. These dies are available now, but you can find more information on all of our products at AccuQuilt.com or your local retail store. To find your local retailer closest to you, you can visit learn.accuquilt.com/locate a store.
Will you join our party? Remember, at AccuQuilt, we help you cut time so you can quilt more.